Hey everybody, welcome to the Homeschool Sweet Spot. I'm Kylie and today's video is going to be a look inside the Roots and Shoots resource box. Roots and Shoots is an initiative put together by the Jane Goodall Institute. The resource boxes are completely free to obtain and are available for Australian schools and homeschools. There are a limited number produced, however, so you do need to act quickly on these. So the resource box aims to educate our children about the natural environment, wildlife, and the challenges facing our planet. Please visit the Roots and Shoots website to find out more details. Okay, let's take a look inside this box I received. So we begin with a welcome letter detailing what is inside and also announcing their brand new Rewild Your School program. There are also a few other informational brochures. And the first book we have here is Amazing Ecosystems. This is no shabby little book either. It's a decent size and it's 160 pages in total and is a hardcover. A quick glance at the contents page shows all the various ecosystems covered, and it certainly has some really lovely photography. So as you can see, you'll find details about the ecosystem along with animals from that particular ecosystem. So notice that it also includes a conservation indicator for each animal. We have green is of least concern or not threatened, yellow is threatened or vulnerable, and red is endangered or threatened with extinction. Next up, we have Nature's Tricks. Again, another hardcover, a full 160 page book. This one covering how animals and plants use disguises and deception. What a fascinating topic, and includes so much more beautiful photography. Now, if you received the last Roots and Shoots box, you would have volume 1 of this, Living Landscapes. Once again, it is another 160 page full colour book that takes you on a journey through Australia's rich and diverse First Nations cultures. Then we have a more tightly focused book, The Rivers and Wetlands of the Murray-Darling Basin. What a fabulous resource this pack is for any home or school. And a huge thank you to Roots and Shoots for putting these together. So just a reminder, check their website for details of how to obtain your own resource box or to get on their mailing list for next time. So thanks again for joining me today. Remember to check the channel for other flip throughs. I hope you have a sweet day and I'll see you all again next time.